What's up, faves? This is Clifford as Calix sa YMFS, and you're watching YMFS Exclusives. Pinaka-core memory ko sa YMFS, siguro every time I think about YMFS, siguro yung cast na agad yung may isip ko. Like sila, lahat ng cast, sila Caprice, sila Marco, sila Heath, sila Lee, Cairo, Andre, Gio, Waynona, Princess. Kasi sila talaga yung parang when I think of YMFS, I think of family. Wow! Parang yun yung pinaka dadalhin ko after ng show na to, yung friendship namin. And that's something that's gonna stay with all of us forever, no matter what. And I'm just so grateful na dahil sa show na to, I got to get closer with all of them. I got to know them better, not only as co-workers, co-actors, but as people, as friends. So I'm super happy sa pinagsamahan namin. And nakakasad talaga na as in last days na namin to, last taping day na ng iba today. So it's super sad to think about it, but at the end of the day, hindi naman to yung last na pagkikita namin. We're gonna continue our friendship outside of this show. So that's really something that I'm most grateful of sa show na to.
First thing that comes sa mind ko kapag sinabi ang YMFS, yung Brighton Bay yung una kong naiisip at yung Grand Vista. Kasi aside nga po na ito yung first show ko na puro mga ka-age ko po yung kasama ko, sobrang fun po kasi at yung mga scripts sobrang Gen Z, yung talagang sasabihin po talaga namin yung mga lines na yon, tsaka yung mga moments na yon. Sinasabi nga po namin na para siyang F4. Eh ako po kasi mahilig din po ako manood ng mga series, mga K-dramas, mga Chinese din po ng mga dramas. Nakakatuwa na nagawa ko po yan at naging parte po ako ng storya ng YMFS. Kaya yun po yung una kong naiisip. Kasi parang dati pinapanood ko lang siya tapos ini-imagine ko lang yung sarili ko. Ngayon, nagagawa ko na siya, naportray ko na siya.
I'll miss the vibes of the set, yung mga jokes namin, yung mga kulitan namin, and the stuff we can do here. So, ayun, mamimiss ko talaga tong experience na to. And I don't think there's gonna be another experience that will be able to recreate this.
Siguro, a core memory sa You're My Favorite Song. Siguro yung Brighton Ball. Naging core memory siya sa akin kasi we shot that 2 days. And parang it's a different setup kasi. So parang nag-enjoy akong kunan siya. And iba din yung bonding namin nun kasi lahat kami mga naka-suit, naka-gown. And kumbaga, give na give kami ng mga times na yun eh. Pero kapag off-cam, ayun, nakakapag-bonding kami. Kasi wala ring signal dun sa pinapag-tapingan namin nun. So, I really believe na yun yung times na mas naging genuine yung bond namin.
YMFS. Beach. Beach. Kasi, my gosh, sobrang saya ng tapings namin tuwing nasa beach. Lalo na nung parang yung time na yun na nag-picture-picture tayong lahat, gano'n, tapos nag-ikot-ikot lang kami sa beach kasi nag-jamming, nag-play ng guitar si Heath, ayun.
YMFS. Really, the bonding in between takes. As in, the bonding in between takes, it's so much different. And it's just pure fun, kahit sobrang init na, kahit hindi na kami makahinga, kahit pawis na kami, parang we still enjoy. And I'm gonna miss that a lot. Kahit mainit, wala kaming pake. We're enjoying each other's presence. And even with the crew, kasama sila sa sa pagdaldal or sa pagdaldal.
Well, kasi lahat naman ng mga eksena na papanood nila, that's what they know. Pero they don't know what's happening behind the camera. So siguro yun yung makakwento ko actually, yung pagbabonding namin. Actually, kung magkakasama kaming lahat sa isang area, grabe talaga yung biruan, grabe yung pagkakwentuhan. May mga things na parang, like, ngayon lang namin nalaman about each other na parang, ay talaga, like, Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun na may instance na parang may narinig ako from the other cast na parang, ay talaga, ngayon ko lang nalaman yun na bro. So, the magic behind that of yung just being in one area, nagkukulitan lang kayo. Yung, I'm sure nakikita nyo naman yung mga behind the scenes, like, yung sumasayaw kami ng Kabataang Pinoy, or kung ano mang music pinapatugtog. Yung si Clifford nagdi-DJ, tapos kami parang nagpa-party. Tapos yung kulitan scenes, like parang nag-aasaran lang. Yung, meron ngayon, naalala ko yung ice cream, yung ice cream, naalala ko yun. Tapos ano pa ba, ang dami eh. Tapos yung bugbog scene, pag may mga nabubulol, tatawa agad. Pag nakita mo yung kasama mong ka-eksena na nakasmile, bigla ka lang tatawa. Ayan, biktima dyan. Actually, honestly, biktima ako dyan. Pag nakikita kong like, nakasmile na si Clifford, patawa na siya, wala na, game over. As hard as I can na pigilan yung pagtatawa ko, hindi talaga, hindi gumagana. Kasi hindi pa nagka-cut si Direk, so kailangan labanan mo talaga. So, yun ang, siguro yun, talaga mamimiss ko yung biruan at asaran ng lahat. Mamimiss ko kasi, imagine mo next day, walang taping, tapos, parang, honestly, magiging boring kasi walang jokes. And honestly, mamimiss ko yung fun. Gusto ko lagi kasing tumatawa, gusto ko yun. So, yeah, I'll miss you, YMFS fam.
Yung beach. Yung nagpunta kami sa beach, kahit na wala kaming beach scenes, pero nandun kami lahat magkakasama. Kulang lang sana, wala si Waynona. Pero, wala si Waynona nun. Pero nag-enjoy naman kaming lahat. And parang, yun nga, very light lang ng mood nun. Sobrang chill lang namin. Tapos matagal pa yung call namin nun ulit. So, nandun lang kami, nakatambay, kwentuhan, umiinom lang kami ng juice. Yun yung one of the most memorable time pag sinabing YMFS.
When you say YMFS, ang una kong maiisip talaga is comfort. Comfort. Kasi grabe, every time I go to the set, hindi talaga ako nape-pressure. I don't feel like I'm at work kasi yung team, yung whole team, yung prod, and also of course yung mga castmates ko, very lang kami, para kaming brothers and sisters dito. Tapos we all became very close in such a short time. So i-cherish ko talaga yun.
When I think about YMFS, the beach. The beach, because on that day, on those taping days when we were at the beach, it's just so much fun. We could like go everywhere. At night, we would go to this lifeguard place where there's signal, and then we would have deep talks with Ate Mitch. And then we would just jam next to the shore where there are waves, and sometimes I would try to catch some crabs. But I'd let them go. Yan po.